Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on DOOGEE X95. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find Firefox. Install it. After installation process is complete, you can open a browser. Here we can customize it with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see, browser works kind of fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.